Uh, so let's see the next slide. So how 1 is marked here. Now you already know this 1 represent all the main term, all the 4 main term given in this expression. Okay. Now let's move to next slide. This is the final. Now 2 cells is remaining empty. This will be filled with 0. Okay. First it will be filled with 0. Then we will combine the value 1. So how you will combine? So maximum grouping is made of these 4 cells. 1. We will see in next slide. Uh, use the rules of simplification and ringing of adjacent cell in order to make variables redundant. So look here, all 1 will be combined. So first we will see for the largest group. Largest group is these 4. These 4 1 will make the largest group. Then the 2 other groups are this 2 and this 2. You may remember that overlapping is allowed. Overlapping of 1 is allowed. You may see in the initial slides where condition for Karnaugh map is given, where it is mentioned that overlapping is allowed. So 1 is overlapped here in this 4 group also and this 2 group also. So here we can see 3 groupings. One group of all the 4 1, one group of 4 1, then 2 other group of 2 1. One is here and one is at the bottom. Okay. Now we will make the expression according to this grouping. Now look here. The first group of these 2 1 means this one and this one. How it can be represented? It can be represented by here the value of A is 0. In both of these cells the value of A is 0 and the value of C is also 0. But B is changing. So we won't consider B. We will write only A complement and C complement. So here this is the value A complement, C complement. Now the second grouping is here the value of in all these four groups the value of B is equal to 1 and the value of A is changing from 0 and 1 and value of C is also changing 0 and 1. So to represent all the 4 groups we will mention only B which is not changing. So here the second term will be B. Is it clear or not? Now come to the third group. Third group is having 1 1 here in these 2 cells. So both these cells are represented by value 1 of A. A is 1 here and A is also 1 here. So these 2 cells are represented by A is equal to 1 and C is equal to also 1. And B is changing. So we will leave B and keep A and C. So here the combination, this combination can be represented by A dot C. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Now another question. Here the next question. This is another expression given. So let's try again. So how to solve this? So first term is A bar B. A bar B means A value 0 and B value 1. So A value 0 is these two and B value 0 is this. So the second column is represented by A bar B. So in the second column, both the cell will having 1. Okay. So look here. So here both the cells is having 1. Any doubt? Now let's consider the second term, that is B dot C bar, means the value of B will be 1 and the value of C will be 0. So value of B is 1 in these two columns, 0 1 and 1 1, and the value of C 0 in for the first row. So these two cells having value B value 1 1 and C value 0 will have value 1. So let's see the slide. Look here, 1 and 1 is represented here. Okay. Now consider the third term. The third term is having value B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1 is represented by these two columns, second and third column. B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1 is represented by the second row. So again these two cells will have 1 1. Yes. The third term is B value 1 and C value 1. Now B is having value 1 in second and third column and C is having 1 in the second row. So both these cells, both the middle cells of the second row will be 1. So let us see in the next slide. So both these cells will be 1, represented by B dot C. Now the last term, A dot B bar dot C bar, means the value of A will be 1, means represented by the last two columns. The value of B is 0, represented by last column, and the value of C bar, C is equal to 0, is represented by only these cells. So this cell will become 1. Is it clear? The last term is represented by orange color. Now we will make the grouping. How you will make the grouping? All the 4 will be combined first and then these 2 will be combined. Okay. So look here, this is the grouping. All the 4 will be represented by B. So the answer will be B plus. Now these two will, let us see this. All the 4 groupings will be represented by B and these 2 will be represented by, this 2 is having A is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. So it will be represented by A dot C bar. So B plus A dot C bar will be the answer. Look here, this is the answer. B plus A dot C bar. Is it clear? Okay, good. So now I am stopping here. I will first take the attendance, okay?